have here today this special gift box sent to us by Kingston. This is actually a limited edition gift box from their Kingston Is With You campaign. The Kingston Is With You campaign aims to bring alive the invincible impact of memories in our lives and emphasizes that memories not only exist in the past, but can also be the driving force that motivates one to move forward in life. So let's unbox this gift box from Kingston. First, we have this Kingston CSD face mask box that features one of the finalists and special awardee winner from the APAC Mask Design Competition by Lilo Jong with its theme Love Memories Forever. Inside the box, we have 5 pieces of this beautiful artwork from Lilo Jong. Next, we have these 7-day memory challenge cards that are assigned to the recipient of this box. The 7 mini tasks help us to relive our precious moments and rediscover the happiness of little things in life. It stimulates the 5 senses, which are our sight, touch, taste, hearing, and smell. Included also is a Kingston Data Traveler Duo USB flash drive. It weighs only 10 grams and features a dual USB connectors that work with both standard USB Type-A and USB Type-C ports. It has this innovative dual slider casing, making it sturdy and stylish. Plus, there is no cap to lose. It offers 2 storage capacity to choose from, a 32GB and this one we have is a 64GB. The Kingston Data Traveler Duo is equipped with a USB 3.2 Gen 1 speed so you can easily access and transfer documents, photos, videos, and more. Lastly, it is backed by a 5-year limited warranty and free technical support for that extra peace of mind. And do check out Kingston's Memories Empower microfilm, which I will share the link of the video below. Thank you for watching our video, and if you're not yet subscribed to our channel, please do click on that subscribe button.